If you're experiencing low performance in The Sims 4, there are several steps you can take to improve the game's performance. Follow these steps to optimize your gaming experience. Step 1. Adjust graphics settings. Go to the game's options menu and navigate to the graphics section. Lower the resolution and adjust the quality settings for textures, shadows, and other effects to improve performance. Step 2. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This will free up system resources and help the game run more smoothly. Step 3. Update drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website to download and install the latest drivers, which can enhance performance and fix bugs. Step 4. Clear cache files. Locate the Sims 4 cache files on your computer and delete them. This can help resolve performance issues by removing outdated or corrupted data. Step 5. Use mods wisely. If you're using mods, ensure they're updated and compatible with the latest version of the game. Remove any mods that may be causing performance issues to maintain smoother gameplay. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in The Sims 4's performance. Enjoy your gaming experience.